Heating your honey-baked ham, a step-by-step guide.
Hello there. Today, we're going to talk about the best way to heat a honey-baked ham. You might be wondering why we need to heat it since these hams are usually fully cooked. Well, heating the ham can enhance its flavor, making it even more delightful to your taste buds. So, let's dive in and explore how long you need to heat your honey-baked ham in foil and at what temperature. Remember, it's always important to follow the steps correctly to ensure you get the best results.
Preparing your ham.
Before we start with the heating process, it's essential to properly prepare your honey-baked ham. Remove the ham from the refrigerator and allow it to reach room temperature for about 30 minutes. This step ensures that the ham will heat evenly throughout.
Wrapping the ham in foil.
The next step involves wrapping your ham. Using heavy-duty aluminum foil, wrap the ham thoroughly. Ensure that the foil is secure and snug around the ham, but be careful not to tear it. This step helps keep in the moisture while the ham is heating, so it doesn't dry out.
Preheating the oven and heating the ham.
Preheat your oven to 275 degrees Fahrenheit, 135 degrees Celsius. It's crucial to not go above this temperature to avoid drying out your ham. Once the oven has reached the correct temperature, place your foil-wrapped ham on a roasting pan or a baking sheet. Heat the ham in the oven. The rule of thumb for honey-baked ham is to heat it for 10 minutes per pound. So, if your ham weighs 10 pounds, you would heat it for approximately 100 minutes.
Letting the ham rest.
After the ham has been heated, remove it from the oven, but leave it in the foil. Let it rest for a few minutes before serving. This step allows the juices to redistribute throughout the ham, making it more flavorful and moist. And there you have it. By following these easy steps, you'll heat your honey-baked ham to perfection, enhancing its flavor and keeping it juicy. We hope this guide has been helpful. Enjoy your meal.